Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best LED tail light is probably one of the most crucial safety upgrades you can make for your motorcycle. Not only does it significantly enhance your visibility to other drivers, especially in low light conditions, but it also adds a sleek, modern aesthetic to your bike. Today, we're diving deep into the world of motorcycle LED tail lights, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one for your ride. Number 5. True Mods 5 Red LED Motorcycle Light Strip Kit. These lights are more than just secondary tail lights. They function as tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals, all in one. It's designed to make you more visible on the road. Brake lights save lives, and this product ensures yours are seen. Packed with bright LEDs, it's faster, brighter, and better looking than traditional lights. This will make your vehicle stand out. Don't worry about the weather. These lights are IP68 rated and completely sealed. They'll perform reliably, no matter the conditions. The low-profile design conforms to your vehicle's lines. At only 1/8 inch thick, it blends seamlessly with your bike's unique look. It's clean and unobtrusive. These LED strip lights are perfect for various vehicles. Whether it's a dirt bike, snowmobile, or truck, it's a great fit. You can install it anywhere you need extra visibility. What we like. This light offers dual-intensity circuitry, functioning as both tail and brake lights. If you're looking for enhanced visibility and safety, this is a great choice. Its low-profile design ensures it blends seamlessly with your bike's aesthetics, making it perfect for those who value both function and form. What people say. They seem well made, fairly flexible, the wires were long and well insulated and they work. Extremely bright. I like the quality of the wires and the obviously good waterproofing. Very thick silicone covering that I am pretty positive could withstand being submerged. The instructions were nice and detailed and it was packaged nicer than a lot of things I get from Amazon. The double-sided tape is thick and good quality. The installation was very straightforward. When I hit the brakes, the brightness increases with the factory tail light and the brightness is great. Number 4. Anki HappiGo ANKIA 40 LED Motorcycle Tail Light. This is the Anki HappiGo ANKIA Motorcycle Tail Light. It's designed to enhance your motorcycle's visibility and safety. It integrates multiple functions into one sleek design. This tail light serves as a running lamp, brake light, and turn signal light. It also includes a license plate bracket. This integrated design simplifies installation and improves aesthetics. The tail light is compatible with most motorcycles, including Harley, Honda, and Yamaha models. Some models may require minor modifications for the perfect fit. It's a versatile choice for various bikes. It operates on DC 12V and has a power of 40 W. The light features 40 LEDs for optimal brightness. The package includes the tail light and license plate bracket. The tail light uses a 5-wire connection system. The black wire is for negative, red for brake light, yellow for running light, and blue-orange for turn signals. It's a wired system, not rechargeable. What we like. This tail light integrates running, brake, and turn signal functions. If you need a comprehensive lighting solution, this is the one. It's designed to fit various motorcycle models, making it a versatile option for many riders. What people say. The fact that it does your running light. Your brake turn signals, license plate light. Everything you needed to do in a small package, the value for money is through the roof. The quality on this thing is superb. Custom rear light with brake light turn signals and plate light. Number 3. Anki HappiGo 12V Motorcycle LED Tail Light. This is the Anki HappiGo Motorcycle Tail Light. It integrates brake, tail, running light, turn signal, and license plate functions. It's a complete lighting solution for your bike, all in one unit. Featuring 16 bright LEDs, this light ensures you're seen on the road. The smoked black cover adds a sleek look while maintaining excellent light output. It enhances safety and style. Designed for versatility, this tail light fits most motorcycles. Whether it's a Harley, street bike, or dirt bike, it's likely compatible. This makes it a great choice for many riders. Built with premium ABS plastic and an aluminum bracket, it's made to last. The design protects against splashing water, allowing you to ride confidently in various conditions. It's built for the long haul. The 5-wire connection system makes installation straightforward. The wires are clearly labeled for ground, braking, running, and turn signals. If you need help, we are always here for you. The LED lights are designed for long-lasting durability, with a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. This means less maintenance and more riding time. It's a reliable choice for your motorcycle. What we like. This light combines brake, running, and turn signal functions into a single unit. If you want a sleek, integrated design with a smoked black cover, consider this. It's built with durable materials, ensuring it lasts for a long time. What people say. Nice and bright lights, the turn signals do not blink unless you add a flasher relay like I did or if your bike already has them. Great tail brake light though. Used on minibike, works really good, bright. Number 2. 12V LED Motorcycle Tail Light B. This tail light integrates running and brake lights. It provides a bright, constant light when running and intensifies when braking. This design enhances safety with its efficient warning function and energy-saving features. Made with high-quality ABS plastic and ultrasonic welding, this light is built to last. It's shockproof, waterproof, and can withstand any weather condition. The light is also resistant to aging and abrasion. Installation is simple, it directly replaces your old tail light without any wiring changes. Its compact, lightweight design ensures durability. It has passed rigorous tests, including a 2-meter drop test. This tail light is designed for long-lasting performance. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand various conditions. You can rely on it for consistent and dependable operation. We stand behind our product with a guarantee and excellent customer service. If you have any issues, please contact us via email, and we'll respond within 24 hours. We are here to help. What we like. This tail light integrates running and brake lights. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install light, this is a great option. It's waterproof and shockproof, making it suitable for various weather conditions, so you can ride with confidence. What people say. The tail light is very bright. The installation was easy. It has a nice design. Number 1. BlyilyB 12-80V Dual Color Motorcycle LED Lamp. This innovative lamp combines driving lights, turn signals, and brake lights into one unit. It maximizes visibility and enhances safety on the road. You only need one lamp to get all these functions. The lamp features a dual-color design with amber turn signals and a red tail light. The brake light flashes before going solid, alerting drivers behind you. This design makes it easier for others to see you. Designed to withstand rainy weather, this lamp has an IP67 waterproof rating. The fully sealed design ensures steady performance, even in wet conditions. It is durable and reliable. The lamp is easy to install with a clear connection guide. It operates on a DC 12-80V voltage, making it suitable for various motorcycles, scooters, and electric bikes. The installation is straightforward. The tail light offers a breathing mode before switching to a constant red light. The brake light flashes rapidly before turning solid. The turn signals have a sequential flowing amber light. This versatile lamp is suitable for motorcycles, scooters, electric motorbikes, and mopeds. It is a great upgrade for your vehicle. It is a good choice for you. What we like. This light offers dual-color functionality for turn signals and brake lights. If you want a light that provides maximum visibility and safety, you should consider this. It's waterproof and works with a wide voltage range, making it suitable for various motorcycles and scooters. What people say. Nice and bright. Built-in flasher, so you don't need a flasher for turn signals. Good power-on animation and bright brake lights. Simple to install and the light looks great and easy to see at night, not bad in the daylight. They are bright and a perfect replacement for the clunky lights on my dual sport motorcycle. It fits in tightly under the fender and the width is the same as the fender. All in all, the install looks like a factory setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.